Hello everyone, welcome to TQ Bit classes and issued by the TQ faculties. I am Nihit Bhatnagar. I have completed my MTech from IIIT Gwalior in digital communication in 2014. I have qualified the GATE exam 6 times. At present, I am working as an assistant professor at SIT Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. I have more than 4 year teaching experience. This is the ninth lecture of the lecture series of random variable and random process. So at yesterday class, we have stopped our lecture at this question. So now start from this. Given random variable x with mean mu x and the variance sigma square is passed through a linear transformation, that is y equal to ax plus b, such that mu y equal to 0 and sigma y square equal to 1. It means y का जो variance है, the variance of y is equal to 1 and mean of y is equal to 0. So now take the mu y. Mu y equal to expectation of y. It's equal to expectation of ax plus b. It's equal to a expectation of x plus b, or equal to a mu x plus b. A mu x plus b, and mu y it is equal to 0. It's equal to 0. It's given that. So from this, a mu x plus b equal to 0 is the first equation. So sigma y square equal to expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. So put the value of y, it's become x plus b whole square minus the expectation of ax plus b whole square. It's equal to expectation of a square x square plus b square plus 2axb minus expectation of ax plus expectation of b whole square is equal to a square expectation of x square plus b square plus 2ab expectation of x minus bracket a, so it's become a square expectation of x whole square plus b square plus 2ab expectation of x. So now you can see here this b square से b square cancel, 2ab expectation x से ये cancel, ये minus है आपका, so it's equal to a square expectation of x square minus a square expectation of x whole square equal to a square, and कॉमन ले लेंगे आप तो ये बन जाएगा expectation of x whole square minus expectation of x whole square is equal to a square into sigma x square, and that is equal to sigma y square, and that is equal to 1. So you can compare from here, compare that a square sigma x square equal to 1. That's why a equal to 1 upon sigma x. A equal to 1 upon sigma x. So after checking this, the correct answer is A. So put here in equation 2. Put this into equation A. So 1 of mu x upon sigma x plus b equal to 0. So that's why b equal to minus mu x upon sigma x. So correct answer is option A. Now moves to our next question. The next question is the random variable x with defined its CDF is equal to this, ये आपको CDF दे रखा है, then the value of k, आपको k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, दिस इज k। तो CDF की जो प्रॉपर्टी देखिए यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि फॉर, इस पे देख के ऐसे कुछ आप आइडिया लगा सकते हैं, फॉर एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू के फॉर एक्स ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 1, फॉर एक्स ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 1, इट मींस एफ ऑफ एक्स इनफाइनाइट इज आल्सो इक्वल टू के। इसके रुकिए, और जो फॉर्मूला और जो एक ओरिजिनल डेफिनेशन होती है CDF की, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1, दैट्स व्हाई वैल्यू ऑफ के, value of k equal to 1, so that option D, option D। Now part second, find p, that is find p that is 0. Get x that is greater than 0.5 and less than equal to 1। p 0.5, sorry, only less than, x less than equal to 1, you have to find, and that is equal to, according to the property of CDF, f of 1 minus f of 0.5. So at 1 the magnitude of CDF is equal to small k minus at 0.5, here is 0.5. So you can see here that for x equal to 1, f of x equal to half, and this is the equation of line, straight line, linear line. So for x equal to half or 0.5, f of x equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4, that's why for 0.5 it's become 1 by 4, k equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, it equal to 3 by 4 or equal to 0.75. For this part second, correct answer is 0.75. Find then part 3, find x greater than equal to 2, so p x greater than 2 is equal to, ये बन जाएगा आपका, this can be also treated as p x less than equal to, it means according to the definition of CDF, what is CDF? F of x, that is equal to p x less than equal to small x, जो चीज लिखी थी क्या बन जाएगा 1 minus f of x and the here x, so here is equal to 2, equal to, so at point 2 is here, so at 2 the magnitude of k is equal to, at 2 the magnitude is, its magnitude is equal to k, 1 minus k, that is equal to 1 minus 1, correct answer is 0। Now part 4th, you have to find the value of x equal to 1. So for probability for x equal to x naught, it has two values, first one is 0 and second one is f of x 0 x0 plus minus f of x x0 plus, ये जीरो कब होती है, इट इज व्हेन CDF is continuous at x equal to x naught, जो CDF की वैल्यू कंटिन्यूस है, इट मीन जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एट दिस पॉइंट इज x naught and it is continuous here, there is no any discontinuity, that's why at x equal to x naught the the probability at that particular point is 0, and when CDF, and for this CDF is discontinued at x equal to x naught, For example, this point. For this point, there is a discontinuity here. That's why we will use this formula. So at x equal to 1, there is a discontinuity exists, so that we will use this formula. So at equal to f of x 1 plus minus f of x 1 minus, that is equal to, at 1 plus it means just above 1, it is equal to k minus just below 1, it is equal to half, equal to 1 minus half equal to half. So correct answer is option B. Correct answer is option B. So now to move towards of question. This question. A random error x is defined by CDF with its probability density function PDF ही दे रखा है आपको, ठीक है। तो आपको इससे आपको CDF सॉरी आपको ये CDF दे रखा है क्वेश्चन में, आपको इससे PDF फाइंड करना है। तो आपको प्रॉपर्टी पता है, you know the property of PDF and CDF, what are the relation between them. So this is PDF of f of x, that is equal to d by dx of CDF f of x small x, which is CDF. तो जो डेरिवेटिव होता है आपका, डेरिवेटिव वही क्या होता है आपका, CDF का डेरिवेटिव वो आपका PDF होता है। तो from minus infinite to 0, from minus infinite to 0, the, or you can say also that it is the slope of f of x. And what is slope? So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. अब देख सकते हैं कि from minus infinite to 0, its slope is 0. Slope is 0. That's why here it is also 0. It's also 0. Magnitude of PDF is magnitude of PDF of f of x. This random variable x, it should be 0. Okay, from 0 to 1, this region, this is a straight line. It is this equation of line, or you can say ramp function. Ramp. So the derivative of d by dx of the ramp function, it is equal to step function. It's equal to step function. So, and what is the slope of this? You can see here from अब यहाँ देख सकते हैं स्लोप कितना आएगा इसका, स्लोप आएगा इसका, देख सकते हैं y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 is half minus 0 upon x2 1 minus 0, that equal to half. तो अब देख सकते हैं इसका जो स्लोप या स्टेप फंक्शन का मैग्नीट्यूड आएगा वो कितना आएगा, हाफ। देखिए यहाँ हाफ आ रहा है, यहाँ हाफ आ रहा है, यहाँ हाफ आ रहा है, देखिए यहाँ 1 आ रहा है। ये ऑप्शन आपका हट गया। नाउ ओके, एट from 1 to infinite, for a value of x 1 to infinite, at 1 there is a jump, exists, or you can say that at here it is a step jump, and we know very well the derivative of d by dx of step function, that is impulse function. So there should be exist an impulse at x equal to 1. Okay, so you can see here there is a jump, there is an impulse or jump here, but there is not. So this option is also wrong. Now there is a tie between B and C. So now we have to find the magnitude of that jump of that impulse. Okay, slope of that jump or magnitude of that impulse. So also we use the formula of this y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Okay. So it's y2 is equal to k and y1 equal to half, and next to the point is same, 1 minus 1 equal to value of k is equal to 1 and 1 minus half equal to half upon 0. You can say it is half of delta. Delta represent we know very well the magnitude of that impulse at that point is equal to infinite. It is equal to infinite. That's why I use delta, and it is at x equal to 1. So that's why it's equal to x minus 1. Half of x minus 1. The magnitude is equal to half. So here the magnitude is equal to 1. So this is also wrong. But here magnitude is half. So correct option is B. Correct option is B. Okay, now the next question. PDF that is given as this yaku de rakha hai, where x is the random variable whose allowable range from minus infinite to plus infinite. Then the CDF for x getting equal to 0. आपको इसका CDF निकालना है for x getting equal to 0. Okay. तो फर्स्ट वो डिफाइन कर लेते हैं आप अपना PDF को f of x that is equal to a e to the power plus bx for x less than 0, and for x getting equal to 0 it's equal to a e to the power minus bx. What is the value of CDF? CDF is equal to f of x. And what is the correct formula of CDF? That is equal to p x is equal to p x less than equal to small x. This is the proper definition for any type of random. It is the proper definition of CDF for any type of random variable. It's equal to minus infinite to x f of x dx. F of x dx. Okay. Now we have to find for x greater equal to 0. It means CDF is equal to integration minus infinite to x f of x dx is equal to, अब लिमिट ब्रेक होगी आपकी माइनस इनफाइनाइट टू 0 f of x dx प्लस इंटीग्रेशन 0 to x f of x dx. ये हो गया आपका वैल्यू रखने पे आप यहाँ वैल्यू रखेंगे इंटीग्रेशन माइनस इनफाइनाइट टू 0 for negative for the range of for negative range value of x we use this formula. तो ये यूज करेंगे तो यहाँ पर f of x यूज करेंगे तो ये a e to the power b x a e to the power bx dx, then plus for integration 0 to x we use this a e to the power minus bx dx. Okay, now I will rub this portion. So for integration minus infinite to 0 a e to the power dx plus integration 0 to infinite a e to the power minus bx dx is equal to a e to the power b x upon b for minus infinite to 0 plus a e to the power minus bx upon minus b for 0 to infinite is equal to a by b. Put the limit put the limits here. B of 0 minus e to the power b minus infinite bracket 1 plus a by b. To make this I have to make this minus plus. I will put the lower limit first. So e to the power minus b 0 minus e to the power then upper limit to minus of b into infinite. So this will become 0 and this will become 0. So it's equal to a by b plus a by b. It's equal to a by B. I have done a mistake here. The limit is not infinite here. It's not infinite. It's equal to x. Equal to x. It's equal to x. It's equal to x. So it is equal to x. So it's become a by b plus a by b minus a by b e to the power minus bx is equal to 2 a by b minus a by b e to the power minus bx equal to a by b bracket में 2 minus e to the power minus bx. So correct option is option B. So let the random variable x present the number of times a pair coin toss needs to toss till two consecutive heads appear for the first time. Then the expectation of y is. So you can see here the x represent the number of toss and number of toss under the condition that you have to get two successive heads. Number of so आप देख सकते हैं कि शुरू करते हैं इसको डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट्स. सो व्हाट आर द कि आपको टू हेड चाहिए तो आपने सो फर्स्ट यू टॉस दैट हेड विल कम द आफ्टर दैट अनदर टॉस द हेड विल कम. सो नाउ आवर टारगेट इज कंप्लीट बट द अनदर पॉसिबिलिटी इज दैट first tail will come, then after head, it means third in three tosses their first tail, then head. Okay, now another possibility is that first tail, then head. It means in four tosses. Now the other possibility of four tosses, there is first two tail, then two heads will come. There is in four tosses there is also possibility of getting head and head. Okay, then then tail, then head. In five tosses, starting three are tail, then last two are heads, so that our target will fulfill. So our desired result will fulfill. It may be the another possibility is that head, tail, head, or tail, head, tail, head. So there are so many possibility maybe exist in the five tosses. So the another possibility of six tosses. So that's why they are in two tosses their headed will come, in three tosses head, tail. So tail, headed come. So these are the possibilities, and x represent the number of tosses. So you can see here first two toss, then three toss, then four, then five, and up to infinite. Okay, so the corresponding probability, these are the random values. These are the random values, which is xi. These are the random values. This is the random variable or random variable. This is random variable x, random variable. This is random values regarding, and pxi equal to, these are PMF. It's PMF. This complete is its PMF, probability mass function. For the two tosses, two heads will come, and two heads are independent. All the for each and every toss, for all tosses, the each outcome are independent to each other, and in a single toss, the probability of getting one tail probability of getting a tail or head, it's equal to half. So that's why the for head it is become half square. For tail headed also all the events getting first tail it's half, then second head half, and the third head it's half. So it becomes half to the power 3. Then half to the power 4. Then half to the power 5, and so on. So there are the random variable x is infinite random values and corresponding probabilities are there. These are the corresponding probabilities. Okay. Now we have to find the expectation of x. We have to find the expectation of x. The expectation of x equal to summation I equal to 1 to I equal to 1 to infinite xi p xi xi into pxi. Okay, this I first value, second value, third value, fourth value up to infinite and corresponding probabilities. So first value is 2 and respective probability is half square. Then another one is 3 and half cube. Then another one is 4 and half 4. Then another is 5 half 5 and so on and so on. So you have to solve this expression, value of this expression. Okay, I wrote all the things. So expectation of x is equal to solution I equal to infinite xi p xi, that is equal to 2 1 square plus 3 half 2 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 5th half to the power 2 and so on. Okay, now it's equal to, we can say it is equal to mu, means mu. Okay, now you have to find the solution of this. So you know C8 is not GP, it's not in the form of GP. If it is in the form of GP, then we will use the formula that is equal to A. It means first term upon 1 minus R, and R is common ratio. R is common ratio. It's not in GP, so we have to so you can see here. Now to solve this, now I the to solve this GP first, I have to make, we have to make this series in GP form. So I will multiply here with mu. I will multiply half in mu. So you can see here when half is multiplied, then this term become, I will write one step below. So it become 2 and what multiply by half here, it's become half to the power 2 plus 3 into half to the power 4 plus 4 into half to the power 5 and so on and so on. So after that, from this is equation first and this is equation second. So after 1 minus second, it means we are going to subtract this. So minus 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 is equal to half mu minus half mu equal to half mu equal to, then 2 into half square plus 2 into half square, then it's become 3 of 2 1 half to the power 1 by 3 minus 2 into half to the power 1 by 3. It's equal to half to the power half to the power 3. Then it's become half to the power 4. Then it's become 5 into half to the power 5. And it's become, sorry, not 5, it's 1. One to the power 6 and so on. Half it's equal to 2 into half to the power स्क्वायर प्लस, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि इट इज इन फॉर्म ऑफ जीपी, इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जीपी, इट्स प्रॉपर इन जीपी. So what is the sum of infinite GP? It is equal to first term, that is half to the power 3 upon 1 minus common ratio. 1 minus common, that is the common ratio from is half. So half of mu equal to, and after this cutting this, it will become half plus it's become 1 by 8 upon 1 by 2. It's become half mu equal to half plus half plus, and this become 1 by 4. So half mu equal to 3 by 4. 2 से 2 cancel हो गया, फिर हमने half, sorry, mu equal to, it's become 3 by 2, that is equal to 1.5. That is equal to, the correct answer of expectation of x is 1. So now moves towards the another question. A pair dice is with faces 1 to 6 is thrown repeatedly, बार बार फेंका जा रहा है till 3 is observed from the first time, जब तक 3 ऑब्जर्व ना हो जाए. Then x denotes it's the number of times dice throw. तो x जो नंबर ऑफ थ्रो है उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, x रैंडम वेरिएबल नंबर ऑफ थ्रो को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. The expected value of x, then the expected value of x, so it means mean of x आपको find करना है. So again I am writing here the desired output, desired result. What are the desired की आपने फर्स्ट डाइस थ्रो की, थ्रो इट इज थ्रो रिपीटली, बार बार रिपीट किया जाता है until 3 is observed first time. तो पहली बार जब 3 मिल जाए, तो लेट्स से फर्स्ट टाइम आपको 3 मिल गया, फर्स्ट थ्रो किया, you throw first time and you will get, that time you will get 3. So our desire, we have achieved our desire. Okay, the another possibility that you throw first time, you did not get 3 other than 3, and then second throw you will get 3. So there are two throws here, first throw, then another possibility of 2 throw, then another possibility in starting first 2 throw this you are not you did not get, you will not get 3, then in third throw you will get 3. Or what are the another possibility, that is in starting 3 throws you will not get 3, and after 4th throw you will get 3, and so on. So the x represents the number of throws, x random variable shows number of throws. So here the 1 throw, here the 2 throw, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and so on. These are the random values, sorry, these random values. These are the random values, and corresponding probabilities. pi, and this complete is called PMF, probability mass function. PMF is equal to first row. After getting first row, you will get 3. So to getting a number in a single dice, the probability of getting 3 after throw of single dice is equal to 1 by 6. So getting 3 is 1 by 6. Okay, uh, not getting 3. It means first not getting 3, that is, if getting 3 is 1 by 6, the not getting 3 is 5 by 6. Then 1 by 6, comma. For this, for this. 2 times not getting 6, it 3. 2 times not getting 3 is equal to 5 by 6 whole square, and single time getting 3 is 1 by 6. And 3 times not getting 3, it is 5 by 6 whole cube, and one single time getting 3 is 1, and so on. So these are the PMF, probability mass function of x. So now expectation of x, it's equal to summation I equal to 1 to infinite xi to xi, that is equal to, for first random value, that is 1, and the corresponding probability is 1 by 6, plus the another random value is 2, corresponding probability is 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. Another random variable is 3, 5 by 6 whole square, and 1 by 6. Then 4, 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 whole cube, plus so on. It's so on. Okay, I'm writing this thing in very clear manner. Expectation of x equal to summation equal to 1 to infinite xi to xi is equal to uh, n equal to 1 into 2 by 6, then 2 times, so 5 by 6 into 1 by 6, then 3 times 5 by 6 whole square into 1 by 6, and then 4 times 5 by 6 whole cube 1 by 6. Okay, you can see here the, okay, this will happen, and that is equal to mu. So better now to solve this. This is also not in GP. It's not in GP form. So make this series in GP, and plus to make this GP, so we have to perform the sum operation, mathematical. So now let's multiply by 5 by 6. 5 by 6 mu equal to, so I write here, I'm going to writing here. So after multiply 5 by 6, so it's become 1 into 5 by 6 into 1 by 6, plus then 5 by 6 multiply here, so it's become 2 times of 5 by 6 square into 1 by 6, then 3 times of 5 by 6 cube into 1 by 6, and plus so on. So after this I will subtract the minus, then minus. It will become, after subtracting mu minus 1 by 6 mu, it's equal to 1 into 1 by 6, plus after subtracting this become 1 into 5 by 6 into 1 by 6, then it's become 5 by 6 whole square into 1 by 6, then 5 by 6 whole cube into 1 by 6, and so on. You can see here the 1 by 6 is that is become that is equal, this is equal to mu minus 5 by 6 mu. 5 by 6 mu. Mu minus 5 by 6 mu equal to 1 by 6 mu. It's equal to and you can see here the 1 by 6 is common in all things. Multiply 6 here, so it's become series become 1 plus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 whole square plus 5 by 6 whole cube plus, so 6 constant mu equal to something. This series become a perfect GP. This series become perfect GP. So what is the sum of this perfect GP is equal to first term 1 upon 1 minus common ratio, that is equal to 5 by 6. So it's equal to 1 upon 5, the subtraction 1 by 5 by 6, 1 by 6, or that is equal to 6. So mu equal to 6. It means the correct answer is 6. Okay, this is another type question which was asked in EC 2019. Which was asked in EC 2019. So let Z be the exponential random variable with mean 1. The CDF of Z is given by, you have to CDF दे रखा. Then you have to find this around 2 decimal places is equal to 2 decimal places to find. So P probability of Z written to, it is given that Z is within 1. Z is within 1. यहाँ पर दे रखा. Okay. So we know the condition probability that if probability of A when B is already occurred is equal to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. So write it here. It's become a probability of Z between 2 intersection Z between 1 on probability of Z between 1 is equal to see this, the most the Z is getting 2 along with Z is getting 1, the most common is Z is getting 2, probability that Z is getting 2 upon probability that Z is getting 1. Here it is the series given here, and it is Z is getting 2, that is getting 1. So we can make it 1 minus P. Z is less than equal to 2 upon 1 minus P. Z is less than equal to 1. It can be also written as 1 minus CDF of x at x equal to 2, 1 minus CDF of x at x equal to 1. Okay. So put the value it here. So 1 minus bracket 1 minus e to the power, put 2 here to minus 2 upon 1 minus bracket 1 minus, put here 1 e to the power minus 1. It's equal to, and this one cancel, so it become e to the power minus 2 upon e to the power minus 1 equal to e to the power minus 1, and that is equal to 0.367. So the correct for 2 decimal places, that is equal to 0.37, 0.36, no problem. So this question is completed. Now the topic is 2-dimensional random variable. So this topic we will start in the tomorrow's class. So I stop at here. So thank you.